Yo, what's going on? It is Miguel, and you're not gonna see my face that much in this video because what's more important than my face right now, which is rare, is what is on this board, because I'm about to be showing you the 3 best funnels that you could possibly be using to increase revenue in a business that you haven't even started or a business that you've already started that you want to take to the next level. These are going to be the 3 funnels that is going to have the highest impact on what you have going on. So for starters, we're going to start off with my favorite one, which is the lead magnet funnel. If you don't know what a lead magnet is, it's something that you give away for free in exchange for an email. It's just a fancy way of saying giving away something for free. Here, I'll give you this ebook. Here, I'll give you this checklist. Here, I'll give you this free video series. Whatever it is, doesn't really matter. Well, it does, but not for what we're talking about right now. You give away something for free, and then they're immediately offered to purchase something on the back end of that. The reason why I love that is because you've heard it before, I'll say it again, reciprocity is very powerful. People feel inclined to give back to you whenever they are given something for free. It's just something inside of us. It happens to me, it happens to you, it happens to your mom, it happens to all of us. So don't fight it, go along with it. Give away something for free and then immediately offer them something on the back end of that. And then obviously you have your upsells after that. The next funnel, which is powerful and something that should be in your business, but most people don't have it, something that can take your business to the next level, is simply just adding a basic sales funnel to your core offer already. So if you have something that most people buy already inside of your business, then the easiest way to inject a lot more money inside of your business is to put some upsells on the back end of that. I don't believe I have a video on this channel yet that talks about upsells, but I will be making one soon. But just know that the simple fact that you are offering something to somebody immediately after they buy it is very powerful. The best time that you could potentially offer somebody something, try to get someone to buy something, is immediately after they bought something already or they are in the process of buying something already. And the way you do that is by having one-click upsells on the back end of your core offer. One quick tip about upsells, since I don't have a video already, is to just make sure that these upsells complement your core offer, or it's just more of the same thing. There's been supplement companies that have built their businesses into million-dollar businesses just by offering more of the same. You buy one of something and then it immediately offers you more. So that is the second funnel. As you can see, we're blowing through this video right now because this is a quick one. It's very simple, it's very straightforward. The last funnel that can be very, very beneficial, and it's not one a lot of people are doing and they're struggling selling more expensive things because they are not implementing this, is to have a high ticket application funnel. A lot of people are trying to sell high ticket items through basic sales funnel means like these two. That is possible, but extremely hard. The other way you can do it is with webinars, but this way is way more effective. You get someone to opt in, and then when they opt in, they don't get an email, they just click a button and it takes them to an application. They fill out an application to see if they are a good fit for whatever offer it is that you have going on. And then after they are done applying, it takes them to a thank you page where they may do some homework. They may look over some of your content that you feel will be beneficial to them. And then in the end, you hop on a call with them and you try to close them on whatever it is that you are selling. That is how you sell more expensive stuff. And this is the easiest way to get a lot more money into your business way faster. So very simple, very straightforward, very straight to the point, but these 3 funnels alone can be very beneficial and can add a lot more money into your business. So I hope you learned something in this video. If you did, if you thought this was beneficial and you would like to see more, all I ask is that you hit the subscribe button below and you like the video and you comment whatever else you might want to see on this channel, because I do respond to the questions. I look at every single one of them, and a lot of times I like to take the comments and just make videos based off of them. The other thing is I have a private Facebook group that I'll leave in the comments below. That's the easiest way to get in contact with me or any one of my mentors, and then you'll be able to actually go in there. You can join entirely for free, and then you'll be able to ask questions, connect with all the other people in there, and even talk to me as well. If this is your first time coming by this channel, channel and you have no idea who I am, like I said, I'm Miguel Johnson. I've helped a couple of people build six-figure businesses. I'm working towards getting them to $1 million. I also work with the supplement company Bro Labs, as well as other things going on. And the clients that I'm working with, it's my own digital agency. So once again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.